17 hertz, okay?
Use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others.
JacobViral, I do a lot of videos. Nice to meet you, man.
I've seen a lot of them.
Okay. Before our demo, if it's alright if you tell me your name and everything in here, man. Got a couple questions for you.
My name's Bradley Ricketts.
Okay.
With Team DevBonds, I have 4 SVL 18s
Okay.
on 4 of the AAB 7900s and a ABB 400.4 on the doors.
Nice. Did you build this?
I did. Every bit of it.
Built in? Or did you slide in?
Slide in.
Okay. You just still got really optimal space to slide in there as much as you can.
It was in the back seat. Like,
Okay.
it was in the bed and I had a back seat in here, but I'm preparing for next year.
Okay.
I'm gonna go bigger. So I opened up a lot of room in the back.
And you shrunk your, I guess, your bandwidth here, or your port area to
Yeah.
optimize your 6th order?
Yes, sir.
What's your tunings, if you would know? That's very specific.
The lower chamber is sitting at 22 and the top chamber is sitting at about 45.5.
Okay. Yeah, sorry. 2 more questions. I don't know. Any kind of electrical upgrades you have under the hood or battery?
I have a JS 400 and I got 2 43.5 amp hour skip banks.
Okay. I'll go look at those.
I have another alternator up there, but it's not hooked up at the moment.
Are these a 4-inch? These are real beefy.
Yeah, 4-inch.
Okay. And have you ever tried mounting them regular or always invert?
I did, and I will never do it again.
Never again. Okay.
Never again.
What was the result that made you say no?
It raised my tuning, and they weigh 100 pounds a piece.
Yeah, pull one of them
Have
things
fun
out.
getting one of those.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Awesome. You built it for Lowe's more? Or you play everything?
Yeah.
Lowe's. Okay.
I normally don't play nothing over like 28.
Okay. So all Lowe's.
28's high.
Yeah, that's high. That's still considered a Lowe's for some people.
I ain't got no service out here, so I'm
Uh-oh.
able to use my phone like I normally do.
Uh-oh.
So I'm
Yeah, it's not a good spot. You have to use a USB, yeah.
back on the USB.
Wow. Any SPL test out of this thing?
Yeah, I do a Hurricane class of base wars, 19 hertz run for 30 seconds, and it's doing I'm going to say my highest 30-second average right now is a 54.
For 19?
Yeah.
Wow. That back port really is too low for that. Okay. Sweet. And you got a double brace there. That's a good idea.
And it goes across to the rear doors.
Oh, that's what that is. Okay. So a triple. It's like a race car style brace.
Bingo! Yo, what's man, Quavo? Jesus, stupid naked.
Bear with me, I'm trying to find something down.
You're good. I'm going to go look at the back real quick, and I'll be back in 1 minute.
I'm going to find something down to 17.
17 hertz, okay? I'm back. Ugh. I like that you have plenty of room back there on that amplifier rack. All right.
Shot, that's total.
I've been fine with music, so.
Yes, sir.
Crazy, I put a shot, smoking on haze, night chop flops, body of shade. Into the grave.
You got another one for me? That was real clean. Into the mid 20 hurt pretty well. Wow.
Yeah, let me see if I can find one right here.
Okay.
I wanna love somebody. Wanna feel love on my birthday.
windy. Wow. Some authority. Awesome job, man. Thank you for showing me. Privilege.
Appreciate it, dude.
Yeah, thank you for the demo. Your name?
Bradley Ricketts.
Bradley. All right. Awesome, Bradley. Really good job. Impressive bandwidth. You built it for Lowe's more, or you play everything?
Yeah,
Lowe's, okay.
I normally don't play nothing over like 28.
Okay, so all Lowe's.
28's high.
Yeah, that's high. That's still considered a Lowe's for some people. Good job,
I
man.
appreciate it.
You're welcome.